Xbox error code 0x87e50033 is a common error that Xbox users encounter while trying to install a game or an app. This error code usually indicates that there is an issue with the storage device, which prevents the console from accessing the necessary data. If you have encountered this error code, don't worry, as there are several solutions you can try to fix it. Hi, my name is Abhiyanshu Rao, and let's start the video. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. The first solution is to check your internet connection. If your network is not stable, it can cause the error code 0x87e50033 to appear. To fix this issue, make sure that your console is connected to a stable network. You can also try resetting your router or modem to improve your network connection. Solution 2. Clear your Xbox cache. Another solution is to clear your Xbox cache. This can help fix the error code 0x87e50033 as it clears any corrupted data that may be causing this issue. To clear your Xbox cache, follow these steps. Number 1. Press and hold the power button on your Xbox until it turns off. Number 2. Unplug the power cable from your Xbox and wait for 30 seconds. Number 3. Plug the power cable back into your Xbox and turn it on. Solution 3. Reinstall the game or app. If the previous solutions do not work, you can try reinstalling the game or app that is causing the error code 0x87e50033. To do this, follow these steps. Number 1. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Number 2. Select My Games and Apps. Number 3. Select See All. Number 4. Select the game or app that is causing the error code 0x87e50033. Number 5. Press the menu button on your controller and select Uninstall. Number 6. Reinstall the game or app from the Microsoft Store. In conclusion, the error code 0x87e50033 is a common issue that Xbox users encounter while trying to install a game or app. However, with the solutions, you can easily fix this issue and enjoy your favorite game and apps on your Xbox. If none of these solutions work, you may need to contact Xbox support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.